Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave. To this planes, our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2004 Hyundai Getz GL 3-door hatch. Stock reference number 4826. This shape runs from the 9th month 2002 through to the 9th month 2005. It has a G4 EC2, 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. G4 EC2 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right hand headlight, left front 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left door has 2 small dents, left rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left hand tail light, tailgate appears to have no damage, tidy rear bumper cover, right hand tail light, right rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right front door has 2 small dents, right guard appears to have no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, 2-switch type. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, manual centre console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player. Interior mirror, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.